If you're manually cutting long videos into short clips, CapCut's free AI clipper is going to save you hours of editing, and it scans your videos, finds usable moments, and gives you multiple clips automatically. Now let me show you how to use it. So I'm on the desktop version of CapCut right now. All I'm going to do is drag my clip in. I'm going to set it here. Now up to the left, you're going to see something that says AI Clipper, and right above it says free. This is why I said this is a free tool they're currently using. So you're going to click on this. You're going to choose all. Perfect. Okay, now you have your source video. That video is 3 minutes long, 250. That video is actually on how to resize your videos in CapCut. So if you guys don't know how to do that already, I'll link it up in the description. Now, what you're gonna do is you can change your editing style however you want. You can do chronological, you can go story-driven, speech-based, montage, other, okay, more creative styles, whatever, right? I just let it do auto. And then duration just depends how long you want your clips. 15 to 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds to a minute, yada, yada, yada. I'm going to do 15 to 30 seconds, and then you can even specify anything else you want me to include. Okay, now I'm not going to. Now I'm just going to hit get clips. All right, now it's pretty quick. If you look up here, it's already 62% done. Now it is a shorter video. It's only 3 minutes long, so it is going to not have as many clips to pull from. But it's going to take the best moments, it's going to slice them all together, so that way now we have a nice short form video that I would have had to go through and take bits and pieces from and try to put it all together. I've used a bunch of different clippers and I just feel like they're all the same. And now knowing that CapCut does it, and I do primarily all of my editing on CapCut, that this is a game changer, and the quality of it is actually really, really good. Now we are done. Now you're gonna look up here, so you're gonna say your highlight clips are ready, view. So you're gonna click on view. Now it put it into 4 chapters. So it said the resizing problem, CapCut mobile guide, CapCut desktop guide, bonus tips, and conclusion, right? Here are the clips. So it created 14 clips from it, but look, they're all short. 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 1 second, but it put it all together to create a little video for me. So this is what it came up with. It's 38 seconds long. If you ever uploaded a video and realized it was the wrong size for the platform, here's the fastest way to resize it in CapCut without starting over. We're gonna start in mobile. I'm just gonna keep scrolling to the right until I see aspect ratio. It even shows you with the logo of the social media platform. Now, if you noticed, it started great. I didn't like some of that ending. So if I wanna edit that out, all I gotta do is click on the edit button up here. And then I can go, these are literally all the other clips too that it created. But I would go to this clip right here, and I would just unselect it. And I can go to this one. Let's see, which one was this? No, I want to keep that. I want to get rid of this one. Unselect. So here's my selected clips. Now, these are all the other clips it created for me. So I can also throw these in at any point. Like let's say I wanted to, see right here I say go vertical now. Maybe I want to bring that in. And now I can drag and I can move it anywhere. So if I want to put it up here, put it there. So there's my clip, and again I can just add it to any part of it. So it's pretty cool. It has all these other ones. Now that's your outline, so you can change this as well. So I can change, you know, what is the resizing problem, and it's all organized, so I can keep them all. Look at, these are the other clips it pulled from it, which I can select if I want to add that one, or I can take it off. For here, for the mobile guide, if I wanted this clip and maybe I didn't want this clip, I can switch that out. So pretty clean, and again, for free on CapCut is insane. I can save it to my timeline as well, save it, so now I put it into my timeline. Now, if you're not taking advantage of this free AI clipper, you need to get on it right now. And one of the other features that I use in CapCut that I'm mind blown about is the relight, to where literally you can change your lighting to studio lighting without having to do anything else as far as getting more lights. All it is you are putting a type of filter that edits on it, and you can put lights behind you. You can put it even flashing off your face with shadows. It is insane, and I did a whole video on that as well if you want to get studio lighting without having to pay for studio lighting. So if you want to check that out, go here and I'll see you there.